The Heidelberg Catechism, question 79. Why then doth Christ call the bread his body and the cup his blood? Or the New Testament in his blood, and St. Paul the communion of the body and blood of Christ? Christ speaks thus not without great cause, namely, not only to teach us thereby that, like as bread and wine sustain this temporal life, so also his crucified body and shed blood are the true meat and drink of our souls unto life eternal, but much more, by this visible sign and pledge to assure us that we are as really partakers of his true body and blood, through the working of the Holy Ghost, as we receive by the mouth of the body these holy tokens in remembrance of him, and that all his sufferings and obedience are as certainly our own, as if we had ourselves suffered and done all in our own person.